Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Cedar Creek Cottage 40CFK2. Guys, this is the Cedar Creek Cottage destination trailer, better than your house travel trailer. Right up front here, nothing about this unit's made for travel. This is a unit that's made to find a great location, park it, and leave it there. Set it and forget it. Right up here, we do have huge windows all throughout this whole beast of a unit. 40 feet long, 12,000 pounds, $100,000 MSRP. What I love about it is you do have a sliding glass door and tall ceilings throughout this whole unit. Let's take a look at the inside. Look at this. This is huge and amazing. My camera guy, if he walks all the way up, you can see that he is 6'3" with tons of headspace. Not just in the living room, but in the slide out and everything. Coming on, starting up front here, kitchen island with an awesome front kitchen. Imagine if you have a view of the mountains or the river or the pond or whatever. Big windows, big space, residential appliances and everything. This kitchen island's fantastic. Right over here is the table and chairs. Okay, and this is the screens for that glass door. If we switch in Swift, we got the TV entertainment center here, a pull-out sofa that makes another bed, and theater seats right here. Coming on down, I love this glass door, especially if you have a permanent site and you make a patio deck. Okay, to wrap it all up, look at that huge bathroom right there. One of the tallest showers I've ever seen. Great toilet placement and everything. And then to wrap it all up back here, a huge master bedroom, prepped to have a stackable washer dryer, king size bed, big windows, big tall ceilings. There's a ceiling fan in here, and tons of cabinetry and dresser drawers, even secret storage. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little tour of the Cedar Creek Cottage. If you guys want to see the full review, great. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel, Matt's RV Reviews Towables. It's a more in-depth review, about 20 minutes long, and we're going to tell you everything about this unit. Or, if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click our link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time.